Welcome to the DOMO Panel Assembly Manual. In Step 1, position parts 1 and 2 parallel to each other and secure them with fasteners I and F. Now position parts 2 and 7 in the indicated locations. Then secure them with fasteners I and F. Fit fastener C into the indicated locations. Position parts 6 and 8 in the indicated locations and secure them with fasteners D. Place part 5 in the indicated location and secure it with fasteners D. In Step 2, position part 9, use fastener J, and then secure it with fasteners D. Place part 4 in the indicated location, fit fasteners B, and secure it with fasteners E. Finally, fit fastener H in the indicated location.